Oh well. Um, One thing when you do change the tire, there's a tutorial on the YouTube, but me I use this socket for the big one, and for the smaller one I untighten both sides, and I go these two screw me to, but some people use the other two to lift out the disc thing. After that, it's easy. Remove the wheel, take out the tie wrap, and unscrew the connector, which is counterclockwise to take off the wire. And you got your wheel that's out like this. I'll have my weight here. I did some balancing. So you got the weight that's out. Take off the valve, release all the air. Use your tire spoon to remove the tire. Once the tire is removed, put back the new tire. Oh, before you remove, you gotta take out this 6 screws. Bing bing. Long, long. Take out the disc. See, that's the only way you can't remove the tire. So once you remove the disc, after that you can remove with the tire spoon the tire from the wheel. I did put 10 gram weight here because I have 4 wheels actually. I put some slicks also. But anyways, so once that's done, you just have to be careful that this side has 2 washers. One side has 1 washer. Here 0, and here 2 O-ring. Just remember that and then the back it's a different configuration I think for the brake. I'm not sure if it's both, but anyways, that's the important when you put it back on, that you're like you were original. So when you put back your tire, I use a milk crate so it goes fast. I use my knee also with the 2 spoons to put back, but before I screwing back the tire in, I put some rubber lubricant, penetrating rubber, both sides before swinging in on the rim, like at the garage, in a garage station when you go for your car. And once you swing that in, now me, I don't have a compressor, so to inflate them, I use CO2 cartridges that I buy at the bike shop, small CO2 cartridges. So I remove the valve inside, and I inflate with the CO2 cartridge, pops it up very fast, put back the valve in with the tool, and after that finish it with my manual pump, and that works good for me. So I didn't do the mechanical showing you that, but it is on the internet at the Super Scoot on YouTube, Super Scoots, and it's called I think 11-inch wheel tire change tutorial, something like that. So that's that. I did the front and the rear. That's my rear tire, the rear motor, and the other one that's there. I still have about maybe 1,000 kilometer, 500 kilometer. So I might change it as well when once might swing the tires, the wheels when spring is a bit done because it's a bit dirty right now. So, but the front I needed to change it, so I did it right away. So I hope you understand. I'm sorry I didn't do the physical stuff for you, but that's it. And good luck. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.